in the sand. People come from miles around to catch that winning hand. But there's dazzling shows, a volcano that blows. The place is really hot. Vegas is contagious. You can get rich on the spot. See the Big Apple, Rome or France, Egypt, Arabia. Don't miss your chance in Vegas. It's contagious.